We're drinking on a Sunday, once again. We don't have a problem, I swear. So we're gonna do our roll for a drink, but as promised, we are adding a lot of shit. And humans, we are on here with On Tap, a podcast and content creator group, personal friends of mine, so you should definitely go check their shit out because we're gonna be doing some other stuff together. They showed up with some booze, so we've got a lot more options today. I don't think it's gonna go well for us, but for you, it should probably be pretty entertaining. Going for our first roll here. 14 Jack Daniels. Now we got our mixer here. 2 coffee creamer.
Woo!
Yummy.
Now we got our liqueur mixer to go in here, and I'm not feeling too hopeful at this point. 5 Captain Morgan cherry vanilla. Where the f did you get this?
Dollar General.
Oh my god. We're really trying to punish ourselves now, so we're going to roll for salt, sugar, nothing, or a mix of the two. 8 salt.
Smart. Look at us go.
So we got our Jack here. Captain Morgan cherry vanilla creamer. I'm just thinking about that now, curdling and shit in there. Oh my god, this is gonna be bad.
Wait, so I have to drink that drink too?
Yeah.
You have to drink all of our drinks.
Oh, I thought I came out good.
Hey, you said you wanted some trash drinks. You're getting some trash drinks.
We did.
I'm getting nervous now. It's coming through.
To top it off with it settles. Do you see this line of Captain in there? Oh, that's gross.
Dude, oh my god. This keeps getting worse.
Pitter patter.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, not good. Oh, I got whipped in the face.
Not bad.
this was-
Actually enjoyed it.
The sugar does help.
Gross. Let's finish it.
I'm gonna go with a -1 out of 10.
Not that harsh. I'd say 4.
All right, well, till next time, guys. Sunday fun day.
Pitter patter.